What it do, Jazzaboos? It's Jackie and JAZZETS here. If you're already a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. You already know what it is. But if you're new here, you can go ahead and kick off your shoes and relax your feet. Hit the like and subscribe because it's free. Yeah, do that. But today, oh my god, y'all might say I haven't been having the best of luck, but it's just been happening like this, and I can't make this up. I can't make it up. Like, I'm scrolling on YouTube, supporting like I do, and I scroll past the Dana Chanel. Like, I be minding my business, so I don't be know what's going on or whatever. So I find out a lot off of YouTube and where else. If I go on Facebook or whatnot, Instagram, that's where I get my news and stuff from. And hair sale, because if somebody say something, oh, it's gonna get around, because you know people can't hold water. But I'm feeling some type of way, because I was feeling some type of way after I've been, you know, using it. But after I see all this going around and knowing that she's a scam, like, this probably is nothing but some goddamn cooking oil with some citrus in it. Because I've been using it and ain't nothing been changing, you know. I mean, Dana Chanel. I ordered these glowry skin discoloration reversal oil. Because, you know, well, I was testing out my can't stop, don't stop, whatever setting powder that I bought the other day. Anyway, you can't see now, but you know, I have my eyes are darker under here. So I seen it on Instagram one day, and that person was promoting hard. Now I didn't know who Dana Chanel was. Now I didn't know who she was, if that's even her damn real name. Because anywho, who am I to judge? But they was promoting hard.
Women of color refuse to put bleaching creams on my skin. They're filled with toxins, and they stink, and they're nasty, and they're just not healthy. So I had to find an alternative. Glowry. It is an all-natural skin discoloration oil. Look, listen. Look, one right there, one right there. I didn't even pop them. I just let them be, and it still left behind a dark mark. Even if I scratch too hard or naturally, you know, I don't know. I know I'm not the only one that gets like naturally dark around my mouth. But I desire to be able to like 100% not wear makeup and feel super confident. So I'd go ahead and like just spot treatment this. That's why it's made like in a pen. And once again, it's all natural skin discoloration reversal oil, and it says to apply to skin twice a day on any spot that needs love. And so you'd let that sit. I literally had 2 dark marks right here. You can actually see it. Look how much it faded, and it used to look like that. Isn't that the same? And I know Curl Bible's doing 20% off, so.
It wasn't from her page. It was an ad. Would you have thought that, okay, she was the one that's selling it? Because she's saying, okay, Curl Bible she acting like she don't even know she the owner of the product. It says that because you put it there, dear. Like, you wouldn't have known that she was the owner if you didn't do your research. So, yeah. Had I done my research before I bought this SHIT, I wouldn't have purchased it. Because after I purchased it, it took forever, which I'll put the receipts of my order somewhere so y'all know, okay, I'm not just jumping on the bandwagon and say, ooh, I'm a victim or whatever. No, I bought this mess with my hard-earned money, I might say. But I'm feeling some type of way because I ordered it. It took forever. A week done went by, and I didn't even get a shipping confirmation to say, okay, I didn't even get a processing confirmation email. So I was like, okay, that's weird. So I emailed her back And I deleted that email because, like I said, I didn't know who she was. Because if I had, I would have kept the receipts for you. You already know. I would have pulled them out and bam, and showed it to you. But that is the only receipts that I have of my confirmation of my actual order. So after the whole week went, I emailed her. And I finally got an email back with a long ass paragraph telling me okay about the processing time and blah 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 blah. And but because in my email I said, okay, if you haven't shipped my item out, then send me my money back, because I ain't got time. Like, I said it just like that. I said, if you haven't shipped my order off, just give me a refund, because I've been waiting for a week now and I'm not about that or whatever. Like I said to y'all before, if these upcoming companies and everything, whatever, they getting customers, you shouldn't be waiting a week and 2 weeks for an item. I mean, you making that moolah, you need to hire somebody to assist you, because it's not our problem that, okay, you taking on too much that you can't handle by yourself and not utilizing all this scamming ass money that you stealing from people to utilize to make your business grow in the right way. But since all of this coming out, okay, you ain't got a righteous bone in your body when the daggone site called Curl Bible. Curl what? Girl, if you don't sit down. But let me see, because of course I'm doing video, I can't see what the price. I paid what? $37, because it was, I guess the original price is $37 for this mess. Yeah, for this mess. And the top's crooked. When you screw it on, it won't go straight. So it's some cheap containering, and it has the roll on or whatever. It's called Glowry. Don't waste your money on this mess. But $37. But of course I wouldn't have paid for it if it was only one. So I said, okay, it's a deal. You know, you get two for $37. They're running a deal right now. You know me, I'm like, ooh, I jumped on it. And I was like, okay, if this stuff this good, going by the way this person was selling it, on Instagram on one of them little ads, I was like, ooh, which I should have did the research and then bought it. But I was so hyped, and I was like, okay, boom. So $37. The shipping was $6.25, which came out to be $43.25. Which y'all see. Yeah, I did that. But it don't work. It just leave you oily, smelling like a damn orange. That is it. But when I seen another ad on Facebook, because you know, once you look at something, it starts, the algorithm or whatever, since Facebook and Instagram owned by the same people, the algorithm will send you ads of the same people or whatever. So I seen it, and it was an ad, and the product was the same exact color in a different bottle, and the person was putting it on as scratch mark cream, serum. I was like, wait a damn minute, that look like the same stuff that's in my little bottle or whatever. And it was the same girl that I seen that sold me this. Yeah, she got me. So after I seen that, I was like, wait a damn minute. I said, wait a minute. Are they just selling this product in different bottles, calling it something else? So then, that's when I did my research and realized that the same damn person that was doing these ads, selling this product so well, is her. Dana Chanel herself. So now I know who Dana Chanel is. Because when you do the research, it's either her doing the promotion herself, or I guess her sister, her cousin, or somebody. It's the same 2-3 people that's doing it. Because when I bought it, it sends you a on your confirmation. It says if you would like to be compensated and advertising for her or the product and get paid for it, then okay, follow these instructions. I wasn't about that life, so I was like, oh, I clicked out of it. I wasn't even interested in that. And the fact that you paying people that get your product to boost it out there and sell it. Ooh, it works so great or whatever. Because of course, even if it don't work, some people, if they want the money, they're gonna say, ooh, yeah, it worked. But the fact that you doing that, that's telling me a whole lot about you. Your products ain't worth a hoot, and that's scamming activity right there. So yes, I am feeling some type of way, because I ain't know who this person was, and now I know exactly who she is, and she got a whole lot of stuff going on. Come on now. when somebody says 7 streams of income, I mean, please let it be legit. It don't let it be no BS, just scamming people, creating stuff to sell just to make you income. And I done read so much stuff, and after the fact, when I realized that I got it's so much coming out now, and I'm like, okay, this girl's scamming money, and her husband, the uncle. Oh my gosh. Like, what is this, a family scamming business? Like, really? Are they serious? And again, I tell you, this thing don't do nothing at all but make you oil and smell like a damn orange. But yeah, you live and you learn. You live and you learn. I can't believe why? Just why? I hope a daggone commercial or something come up to say, if you've been scanned and you purchased whatever, have your receipt and proof and we'll give you your money back. I'll be waiting at the door. You hear me? Because I ain't deleting this confirmation email. Oh no, honey. Because I might get lucky and they say and some kind of ad or something might come out like that, you know, like the powder that Johnson did or whatever, and they say, oh, if you have been affected in any way, blah 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 blah, you be constant. I'm gonna have this receipt waiting at the door ready. What is going on? Okay, you tired too? I'm tired too. I'm tired of this mess. Like, why people can't have integrity? Oh my goodness, just why? But anywho, I just had to add to the because it don't make no sense. It don't make no sense. And I see all of these videos that she done. I would say who does that, but I know she probably ain't the only one. A whole lot of videos on her page of her, I guess, supposed to be doing classes and mentorship, whatever. Mentorship with somebody, you know, taping her, recording her. How you doing a class, but you don't show none of the students? No, you talking to the wall to make us think that, okay, you got it going on and you just some kind of big top notch. You talking to your damn self, and whoever holding that camera, they should be ashamed of their damn self. They should be ashamed of themselves. I'm hot right now because I just wasted not even $40, almost $50 on this mess. The thing we do for child. I am. Whew. Yeah, I'm speechless right now. But don't waste your money on this glory mess or anything associated with the Curl Bible, because they're allegedly scamming people. Well, I know I got scammed, so that ain't allegedly, because that shit don't do nothing. But anyway, I'm done with my little rant. Thank you for watching this video if you watched, and stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully I have something good to do. Something good for the next video, because honey, you know I can't leave without telling y'all, remember to be you, because only you can do it best. Yes, honey. Now, deuces. Till the next video.